this is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear up some storage space on your Android tablet or device. We can just swipe up and go to search and go to files. Now with files we can open this up and we can see all our different categories here. So like downloads, images, videos, etc. And we can go into here and we can decide what we want to delete. It makes it very easy. We can delete entire days or months, or we can select everything to delete. So if we want to delete all our pictures, select all, then go to the trash can and we can delete them under there. So we can go back now and we can do the same thing for documents, videos, or apps, etc. So we can go to apps and we can delete our apps really easy under here. We can select all, or we can sort by different category, news, date first, and then we can just select them. Boom, 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 boom. And it's a lot easier to do this under here. And then we can go to uninstall right there. So this gives you the option to delete multiple things at the same time. So it's very convenient. Now once you delete them, you want to go to the top left and go to trash. And make sure you delete them out of the trash can, otherwise they're not actually deleted yet on your device. So you're not going to reclaim the storage yet until we delete them from the trash can, because they will sit in there for 30 days. Now we also want to go to the top left and we can go to clean. If we go to this clean option, it'll give you some suggestions on what to delete. So we have the top right here. This is our internal storage. It'll give you a breakdown of all the different things on here, saying what is the biggest. So GB is going to be the biggest, and we got storage manager here too. We can just turn that on. So just delete the things with GB, the biggest one. So games right here. I have a lot of games on here I didn't realize. So I can just select that category and start deleting things from here as well. So those came with my device, so I can't delete them. So we got that, and then we got junk files. We can go to clean right here. Clear your temporary files. We can clear it up. And then it's going to give you a little screen. It's wonderful. Delete large files. We can go to those and just select them. These are video files, I think. And then we got Google Play Protect. So just look at this. Gives you a little bit more options and details on what you can delete. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.